Good evening to everyone. Today's topic, I am Pawan Kumar. Today's topic is what are queues? Queues are linear data structures that can be differential based on in how they perform in insertion and deletion operations. The queues follows the operations of first in and first out. Also, the operations or the methods are known as enqueuing and dequeuing. Enqueuing means we're we're putting the any element, and dequeuing means we're deleting the element. If you see the diagram, first we enqueue the A after B, after C, after D. We enqueue from downside and it will be deleted from upside. So A only first inside will go and D will be deleted from first. And as for example, now we can take example program, coding for the. As for example, first we implement the queues in Python using lists. As we said, the logic is queue first in and first out. If we putting we have taken to Monday to Saturday days, and if we put any element inside a queue, we have to make sure that particular element that comes outside first. And we have 7 values here, as you see, and we have to there is an empty list. Here you see there is an empty list which is going to be used as our queue when we print the list over here. And we are using here we see we are using for loop. We are going to iterate over a list for every value in the iteration. We are just appending the values inside the list. Here appending a list, and first element is Sunday. Now if we see here, the first element is Sunday, and it Sunday to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. For up to Saturday it came. And as you see here in the second line, here Sunday is the first one we deleted. After Monday next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. After we get an empty. Here we uploaded an empty list, and here we got the final empty list. And next we implement. Now we are going logically. Okay, we have a queue. Queue has all these values 1 to 25, 20. We have to update which it says 20, and we want to replace it with 10, with the value which is says 10. For example, we are going to use some approach over here where it is going to check for all the values. It will check the all values and see how many 20s are there, and it will change 20 from 20. It will update 20. It will update from 20 to 10. And updating we update using for loop, and next we implement. If you have any doubt, see here 20, 20, 20. Now after updating output, we got 10 10 10. And next, implementing queues in Python. We're reading the array using the for loop. For loop. If you see the cursor button, you will get. This is how array looks like. We are appending the values using the append method. If you here appending method, which is so. And now we are removing the elements from beginning, as we said. See here, first in first out, like that. Now first in was 1 and 2 3 up to 10. After that 11 was added, and from first in first out, first was 1 and first out was 1, like that. If you see here, and finally the numbers are finished. And updating the elements in queue implemented using arrays. Here we use, it will check the data what we gave data, and from the first it will check and change the missing or wrong number. Here it is updated. Here you see, here there is 5 and we are updated it to 3. Only middle mistaken number was updated. Now implementing queues in Python. We'll take dq, and here instead of just opening the opening pop, we have 4 methods. We have append and append left, and pop left. Now append is going to be append the values from left to left of the seek. That means, if you see here, as we first here said, same like this, output will come Sunday, Monday to Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it will be removed from Sunday to here, and finally we got like this. And as we said in here, it was open in both sides. We can send from any side, but first which we send it first, it has to come outside, like this. Here we send first Sunday is going to the right side and right side, and but here the days are added, when Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, up to all the days added, but Sunday is here. But as per rule of queues, first in has to be first out. Now Sunday is going to be outside first, delete it. Like that, Sunday, Monday, we are deleting one by one. Now we modify the element. Now you see how we update the values inside. And then again we are using the same update method of all. Update method also, right, we see we have made few new functions. If you see here, update new updates data and values numbers method. Just follow the approaches. New functions over here just follow the approaches. First is finding out all the values that are similar to the data and updating it with our value. Same as we changed here, yeah, as we updated here, middle mistaken number was updated with 3. Like that here also middle mistaken number will be updated with 3. If you see here 7. Okay. If you see here, see middle mistaken number was updated with 3. And sorting, we have to out sort out the queue. As you see, now we are sorting a queue. We have these values 5, 3, 17, 12, 22, 34, 23, 35. These values we have created using append pop using an array. Append pop using an array. Now sort this, and to sort this we are going to follow the same approach. We are popping the methods, and we are popping the elements from the queue. That we have to make sure that we are popping the elements according to the structure that follow the first in and first out. Now we are considering the DQ. Here DQ. Yeah. Now we are considering the DQ that using for this an operation where we have the method using method using append, which is the value that at the end of the queue. We're just popping all these values and putting it inside this simple list over here, and we are sorting it using sort method from the list, then the again appending the same value to the queue. We have done this for the arrays. And the first we can sort out, since we have used same values, the output should be same. If you see 5, 3, 13, 22, 12, 34, 35, the same values we got here. And this is the main thing in this is first way which we sent element inside, that has to become first, and this queue topic of queue is finished.